Good morning, guys. So today I am going to do laundry with my mom, and I'm not too sure what we're doing after, but yeah, I'm gonna go get ready. Let's go get ready. Okay, so I just finished getting ready to go out to do laundry, and we do our laundry outside because our washer and dryer here at home isn't working and hasn't been working for a while, but yeah, just wanted to show you what I'm wearing. My oldest brother got me this coat, so thanks, brother, if you're watching. It's from Forever 21. But yeah, so now I'm gonna go get my keys and get my stuff, and we'll be on the road. So how come we can't use the washer and dryer in the basement? Like, what's wrong with it?
The plug's not working, like, the hose is no good.
Oh, okay. So that's why we do laundry outside.
Yeah, so we have to fix it summertime.
This is my mom.
So we can use
by the way,
the washer and dryer next summer.
Will we?
Yeah.
Next summer?
This summer.
No, well, yeah, like...
Yeah, pictures.
Why? Why? Because someone's gonna fix it?
Yeah.
Who's gonna fix it?
Lino. The one who's gonna do the garage. The party.
So he's gonna do that in the summer too?
Yeah. Hopefully I got a lot of refund. So we have something to pay him.
He got a free ticket.
Tumataya na. Diyos ko, 26 years ka na, samantalang ako'y 32 years na.
So I told her about this girl who won $1 million from playing this scratch ticket.
Wala.
And so she thinks she'll win, so that's why she bought some.
Sabi ko, na lang ito. Eh di na nalo na tayo ng ano.
You didn't win?
Wala, 3 ticket lang eh.
Hey, Mom?
3 ticket. Diyos ko, ano ba yan? 3 ticket? Ano mapapanalo mo dyan sa putang inang 3 ticket?
Well, maybe you get another chance, right?
Huh?
You get another chance? This game is pretty addicting. Let me know if any of you have played this game, because I love playing this game. It's called Zombies Terminator.
Wala na yung isa eh.
What's that?
Wala na isa.
What do you mean? There's no more, like, the Western or whatever?
Wala na.
Oh. Can I see this one? She got the holiday cheer. So we're home now, and we just finished doing laundry. And my mom's looking at me. And we're gonna go to Ikea because my mom's never been, and she wants to eat there. I haven't tried it yet, so we'll see how it goes. So since this is my first vlog, you guys don't know where I live. I'm obviously not going to tell you the exact address or anything, but I live in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, and Yeah, it's pretty cold. Want to see? We have snow. I don't know what the exact temperature is right now, but yeah. I have my keys. Mom, what's the temperature? Like minus 20?
16.
Oh. My mom thinks it's minus 16. Oh, I'm driving? Oh. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go now. Test run, test run. The YouTube mom. The YouTube viewers.
Hello. I am the mom. Hey. So dyan pala si JC.
Huh?
I didn't notice JC's here.
He was upstairs?
Ayan, no?
Oh.
Wala kami kaso.
So, set you guys down. Again. Try this again.
Ito mo AJ's knife.
What? What's that?
AJ's knife. Nakuha ko sa...
Whoa.
Ayan.
He carries a knife?
Ito yung pang ano yun eh.
Oh, like a Swiss Army kind of knife?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, we're going to Ikea. Mom's first time.
I wanna see. I wanna see.
Ew, Mom, you...
I wanna see what's in there.
Oh. Man. I don't like parking. I think this is where we parked last time. Yeah. That's funny. Whoa, trucks are parking on here, Mom. Look at that. Crazy people.
Ayan.
Oh no, this truck is eyeing it.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, maybe over there. Hold on. I'm gonna go over there.
Kasi ang dami na umaalis ata.
Hold on. This is not a one-way, is it? Man, it's so confusing.
Yeah.
What? Oh. Is this? Oh, this is. Oh, yeah! Woo! Sweet, we have parked. Yeah. Okay, there.
Oh, this is the biggest,
What were you gonna say? This is the biggest what?
biggest Ikea in the western.
I just said that in the car. I just said that in the car.
Well,
You can't take what I taught or what I spoke about already.
reason.
Like, what did you say?
I'm going to be.
It's like you're going up to heaven. There's like a light.
I'm gonna be dizzy here.
Oh.
Dizzy.
Look, Mom, there's a lot of people there.
Wow. Where?
At the food. Oh wait, never mind. I thought that was the food. Oh yeah, it's over here. Oh here, yeah, it's here. Want to try? So yeah, there's just a lot of people in line right now. Look at this ridiculous line of people that want to eat IKEA food. They want to eat the Swedish meatballs. Okay, so this is what I got. I got the pasta, and then this almond, I think it's called an almond butterscotch cake. And my mom got, what'd you get, Mom?
Meatball.
With fries and the side of gravy.
bubble sila.
What? It's good? So, how was your first experience?
It's so tiring. But the food is nice. I like the food.
What did you like?
The meatballs. Fries and gravy.
We ended up buying just food. We ended up buying food.
Yeah.
Cookies and then meatballs and that cake that we ate. And that's it. No furniture.
No furniture for now. A lot of crazy people eating.
Yeah, there's a lot of people.
Oh
like, look at the parking. The parking's like crazy.
Goodness, like the casino.
We were pretty lucky finding parking, so yeah. But where we're going now? We're gonna go home.
Go home.
Yeah. We're gonna go home. My mom and I just got back from Ikea, and now I gotta put my laundry away. Yeah, and then what else am I doing? I think that's pretty much it for tonight. I think I might end the vlog here. I might. We'll see. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this is my first vlog, so if it was a little too shaky, let me know, because I'm not used to holding a camera like this, so yeah. I'll see you in the next one.